How's it going, you guys? Scott with Everyday Home Repairs. Now, if you have some PEX in your home and maybe the water supply, let's say to your toilet, is just roughed in. It's blue, it looks out of place, and definitely not fit and finish. Well, there is an easy solution, and Emily Lopez from You Can DIY is going to quickly show you how. Now, Emily's in the middle of a complete DIY bathroom remodel, so don't forget to check out the link in the description over to her channel to see all the other videos she has, which might be able to help you out with your own DIY bathroom remodel, which is one of the best things you can do to increase the value of your home. So let's jump into it.
Now, if you remember when we installed this toilet together, I promised you guys that I was not gonna leave you hanging with that ugly blue PEX pipe stub out. It's a super easy fix, so here it is. Here's how we do it. This is the trick. For years, I have seen high-end homes with PEX pipe stub outs, not even just white, like it's blue, man, and it's horrible. And so I have been looking for an option and I found these online. I don't know why they're not advertised more. We're gonna give you a link. All you do, now check the type of valve you use, because I have seen some reviews that say, depending on the type of valve, I'm just gonna use a shark bite because those are easy. Make sure it's compatible with this and it won't still show a section of your pipe.
It looks like they may not be compatible with a PEX crimp or clamp ring because I think it might be a little too thick to fit in the sleeve.
We're in tight quarters, so this is our pipe. We took our old valve off, and literally all you're gonna do is you're gonna take your measurement for your pipe. Now, I fortunately have some wiggle room. I have a kind of an attachment that grabs on my pipe under there, but I have a little bit of play, so I can push this down or pull it up or trim it as I need to. If you don't, you're gonna wanna be more precise with your measurements, but you could just slide this on just to get an idea of where you need to trim. But basically you're gonna put that on, you're gonna screw, so you have those two holes right there. They bring two screws, and then you have this piece that just slides over the top to cover that up, and then you're gonna just put your new valve on and attach your toilet line. I don't want to drill into my new tile, so I'm going to glue this piece, but you can just do whatever you're comfortable with. If it was coming out of the wall, I would definitely screw it in. So that's up to you. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna grab some glue and glue that down. Now, in my case, that's gonna wanna tilt, so I'm gonna put some weight on that, but just to show you guys what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide this down and it twists and locks into place, and then you can just figure out what you need to trim this height to for your valve. So, right here, I'm just gonna use a shark bite, which just is gonna slide right onto there, and then I can push it down to the height that I want. If you don't have give, or you're gonna use a valve that is not a slide on, you're gonna have to be a little bit more precise in your measurements. So I have that on, slide that, and I can actually slide it down and you can't see any of my blue.
Just look at how much sharper and more finished our after looks compared to the before.
If you want to take on a bigger bathroom DIY, click on this video right here and I'll show you how to build your own custom shower pan.